Hey guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be flipping through 3 new sticker books from the Happy Planner: Faith Be Still, Gratitude, and Big Color Story. So if you'd like to see that, keep watching. All right, first things first, these sticker books are launching on Tuesday, February 22nd at 9 a.m. Pacific time. And here's your codes for you. We've got 15%, 20%, 25%, depending on how much you spend. Don't forget to use those. Also, if you wouldn't mind using my affiliate link, it's a really good way to help me out a little bit, or use someone else's. If you don't use mine, it doesn't cost you anything. You just click it, takes you to the Happy Planner, and you just purchase your stuff as normal. We get a very small percentage of your purchase. It just helps, kind of with all of the work we do for, showing you all the new product. Okay, let's get started. Which one should I do first? Let's go in order. I'm going to go this one first. So Faith Be Still is a faith sticker book. And what I like about the faith sticker books, I'm not a faith planner, but what I do like is that you can use them even if you're not, because they're kind of versatile. A lot of them are pretty generic. You can't use every page, I guess, but I do use them anyway in my planner. Okay, so look at this. These are really pretty. Like, I love these mountains. So this has gold foil on it. Love one another. We love others best when we love God first. My story for his glory. Walk in truth. Really pretty. Okay. So now we have another decorative box page here. Give yourself grace. I am called. Grace changes everything. Really nice. Okay, so these boxes say praying for. And the color combo is kind of cool, right? It's just different. It's like muted, muted like primary colors kind of, right? And then this says praise report. Again, if you're interested in some of the decorative stickers in here and you're not a faith planner, you could always like white this out or cover it up with a header or something like that, and you've still got some boxes. Okay, memory verse, little little habit trackers. Okay. Ooh, look at these. Those are really cool. They're different, right? I don't think we've seen boxes like that before. So here's some gold foil quotes. These are on clear sticker paper. Have faith, walk by faith, be a light in the world, faith, hope, love, stuff like that. And then these are also on clear. And thy word is a lamp, walk by faith. These are really cool. I like the moon back there. And then like the flat, that's kind of cool. Look at these florals, they're neat too. And then we have like tiny little stars that are gold. God is my refuge, trust the Lord, spirit-led, growing in his grace. And these are foil. Those were clear. These are clear. Praise the Lord. I am called. Rejoice always. There's like little teeny gold foil stars on those flowers. Those are pretty. And then we have like some of these florals on clear. And these ones. Trust, love, rejoice. Peace. Look at these. These are cool. Ooh, this is really pretty. It has like the stars on the side. I love like a really big sticker to go like right in the center of my spread. I think that's fun. These though are cool. I like kind of the flowers behind the mountain. That's really neat. And then we have some without the quotes on it, without the words. I like the little stars in the background. Those are fun. Okay, weekly faith challenge. Wait, these are like strip stickers, I think, right? Yeah, they're little ones. But you can always use the backing for like other strips or cutting out little bullet points or something like that. Reflect on scripture, connect with loved ones, share the gospel, meditate on the word. These are the same except like in gold foil on like this different color. Look at these florals. These are neat. Wow, those are fun. And then you have like the plain moons there. And then like, look, we have some yellow here. I like that. Seeing God's hand in, spending time in prayer for. And then the bullet points are going to match the circles. These are like the same except in blues and greens. And then we have like these cool arrows, which are typically in a lot of the faith books that I've seen. But I use them for like just regular arrows. So I think they're fun and pretty. Excuse me. So we have like the little headers, you know, be still, priority, believe, reading, appointment, pray, errands. And then these are like really pale and pretty. These are on paper. Observation, application, memory verse, stuff like that. Praise report, scripture reading plan, keywords. Yeah, that's really pretty. It's different, right? And it's like very pale, like pastel, kind of a cool color palette. I like those. All right. Let's do this big color story one next. So if you're not familiar with the color story sticker books, basically they're a bunch of different themes in one book. And what they've been doing lately is it's themes that most of the time we have seen in other books. Not always, though. It depends. This is the big color story, so this is meant for the big happy planner, but you can use it in any size happy planner. So this is the pastel rainbow theme that was like in that sticker book. Like these are stickers from that book. But if you're new to the happy planner and you're a beginner, you may not have all the books and you won't have all the books. So I think this is a really good idea to get a taste of the different sticker books before you commit to buying particular ones. And it's just really easy to put quick spreads together with these. I reach for these when I'm really just in a creative funk, and then it's just easy, you know. So that's your first theme. And then the second one, this is from the, my brain today, you guys. I'm running on like practically no sleep. The Happy Goals, maybe the Happy Goals one. This was the one that came out when Stephanie Fleming put her book out. Okay, and that's like bright colors, right? And then here's a different one. What is this one from? This rose gold. I don't know what this one's from. Oh, maybe layered florals maybe? Or detailed florals? One of those, I think. I think so. My favorite color is flowers. Layered, I guess. So we have like these layered boxes so that all the work's done for you, right? You don't have to do it yourself. So it's kind of easy. I love a true pink in Happy Planner stickers. We have another theme here, and this is like a bright colored theme from, wait, is this the same theme? I don't know. This looks like the same flowers. I don't know, I guess that's the same one. Okay, these are like a cool shape, right? I think they're cool. Okay, so this is from Year to Shine. Fun. And usually they'll throw in something that I haven't seen. Like, I don't know that I've seen, like these weren't in Year to Shine, I don't think. So it is a little bit different sometimes. That being said, they might be because I don't use that sticker book that much. But when I do, I'm glad I did. Okay, and this is from, wow, this is really testing my memory here. These are the stickers from, that one with the bright colors. What's that called? My brain. Shiny, happy planner people. That's what we are, you guys. We're shiny, happy planner people. It's all good. Even if you can't remember the name of the sticker book, Mary Ellen, it is all good. Color Me Happy. I think that's what it's called. These are clear. Okay, and we've got these little circles. The brush strokes are on clear. You can use that when you like write something in your planner. You can layer that on top of it so it like pops out. It's like highlighting it, right? Or you can even like put like a header sticker on and then highlight this sticker over the header sticker, you know? Or you can just make like fun stripies in your planner, like little paint strokes for fun, you know? It doesn't have to be functional, whatever. And then we have like this, like these are all like little strips with silver foil. I love when they do pages like this. I think it's really pretty. Okay. So that is your big color story. I really wish they would name these color stories. Like, I kind of wish they'd be like color story 1, color story 2, color story 3. Just so that we know, you know, so that when I list it, you know, when I use it and list it, I can list it as like color story, you know, or color story, like, I don't know, call it something. Instead of color story happy planner, maybe call it like color story extravaganza, and then color story monstrosity, and then color story, like, I don't know. You know what I mean? Monstrosity. I don't know what I'm talking about. All right. So the last one I'm flipping through in this particular video, I have a lot of flip through videos up that I've been doing all day, and I'm a little bit, you know, brain foggy right now because of all the flip throughs I've been doing. But anyway, this is the gratitude one. You know, I'm all about gratitude. I love gratitude. So this is made for me, right? Smile often, so grateful. Clear sticker paper, create joy. I mean, clear sticker paper doesn't say it on here, but you know, have a thankful heart, enjoy the simple things. Those are cool. I like those. Okay, so just some quotes on clear. I'm not a fan of like this color so much. I don't love that. I love these though. Definitely love these. Oops. But a lot of people probably will love that. It really just depends on your style, you know? Did I talk about that? No, that was the last video. I think I was talking about that. Ay, ay, ay. I'm just filming them back to back to back. Okay. Joy is the beauty that blooms from a heart of gratitude. Now, we talked about this before. If you don't like the curves, which I think they have a really good place in your planner at times, right? But if you're tired of it, don't want it in every spread or something, cut it down. Cut it down. Okay? Don't feel like you can't do that. Today I am feeling. What I'd write now is tired. Today I'm grateful for lots of new sticker books. Today's mantra. Let's see. You can do this, Mary Ellen. You can finish all these flip throughs. You're going to be okay. Okay, so thankful, create joy, love today, shine bright. These are clear. These are nice little things to pop in your planner when you need a little bit of color, right? It doesn't have to be for a reason. You can just be like, oh, wait, I have so much blue on this side. I want blue on this side. Let's pop down a thankful sticker and call it a day, you know? Then we have some foil stickers on paper. Ooh, look at these. These are cool. It's kind of got a cool, like, speckled vibe, right? And then these are really speckly in the middle. Fun. All the things. Some of these half circles here. Be thankful for what you have. I am. I definitely am. Gratitude is the gateway to a positive life. This is an interesting color combo here. I don't know if I'm a fan of like this and this together. However, it's a cool color. I don't think I've seen... You don't see this color very often, the Happy Planner stickers. I kind of like it. Almost burgundy, but not quite. I don't know. It's kind of cool. And navy, you guys. I'm really happy for navy. Let me just say. So here we have some of my favorite kinds of stickers. These little dots. Like they're little confetti. They're little, you know. I like to take these and put them in the top. Like around the dates of my planner and stuff. Like they're fun. And thank you, Happy Planner. We got 2 pages of those. This one, I was just saying, well, I don't like really love, well, you know, that's just me. I don't hate them. I think it's just the colors that are not my favorite colors. That's all. Then we have like gold foil. These are unclear. So these are little like quotes and they're kind of cool shaped, you know, they're like different. Today's intention. You can pop these right on a line or whatever you want to do. You can even put it on top of a box sticker. And we have those in like this color combo. believe in the good, enjoy the journey, thankful, positive energy. We've seen these little squiggly things in one of the sticker books recently. Oh my gosh, I can't remember which one, but it was in the fall release. Thankful, grateful, choose to shine, stay positive. I love the navy. Love, love, love the navy. And I'm so thankful that they included navy this time. Ooh, look at this. Weekend adventures, keep going and growing, life is beautiful, like totally lots of little quotes. And they are on regular sticker paper. And they're just like little. And again, these are really good for this, like taking a little pop of, like if you need a little pop of color on the other side of the page or something, these are real good for. Sometimes I stack them. Okay, today's mini gratitude list. That's what these all say. 3 things I'm thankful for today. I started doing that in my wellness planner before I dropped my wellness planner. I think it's important to do that. I think it's a really good practice, and I'm really glad they included that in here. Noted. More of these. Yeah, I mean, you know, like I said, I guess I said it in the other video. My preferences are not going to be everybody else's preferences, and there's something for everyone in these sticker books. There really, really is. Wait, did I say that in the other video? Now I'm getting confused. Maybe it was in this video. I don't know. They're all running together. I love this color. It's like a kind of a blush, like a dark blush, like a taupey kind of color. It's very neutral. I like it. And again, this color is pretty cool. I love like that they're giving us neutral boxes. I think that's really nice. And navy boxes, you guys, I wish I had a whole book of navy boxes, and this is a really pretty color blue too. It's like a dusty blue kind of. There's some gold foil boxes, and then little headers. Winning this week. I love this theme. I love that they're, you know, having us practice gratitude in our planner. Like I said, I think it's important. It has changed my life in a positive way. And it's really the only thing some days that gets me through it, you know, is really focusing on what I have in my life that is good. That's very important in my opinion. Okay, jot it down. The plan. Ooh, look at those colors. They're really pretty together. I love that they gave us a lot of different box options in this book. All right. Okay, so as I did before, let me know in the comments. I've been doing these this time. Which ones are your favorite in what order? I would say this one because this is more my vibe, but since I have these sticker books already, I'm putting it last because I already have seen a lot of this. I think I'm going to go this, this, and this. Only because of that color that I didn't like in there. But I do love the navy and stuff. I think this is really different and cool. I do like this. But I really like them all, you guys. I like them all. So let me know. And happy shopping. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.